Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook. So to show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook in the Instagram app, first thing you need to do is navigate to your profile in Instagram, then select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu, and then in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, select Account Center, and then all we want to do is select Profiles. At the top of the menu, now simply select Add Accounts, and then here, you just want to select Add Facebook Account, then go through the process of logging into your Facebook account, and that will connect it to your Instagram account. Now to show you how to connect Facebook to Instagram in a Facebook app, to do that in a Facebook app, simply select the menu button in the bottom right, then select the gear in the top right to open up the settings. Once in the settings, select See More in Account near the top, and then we just want to select profiles from here. Simply select Add Accounts. Then once you do that, select Add Instagram Account. It will go through the same process of logging into your Instagram account and connecting it to your Facebook account. Alright, so that's how you connect Instagram to Facebook. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.